Let's create a paperclip with text on it with a script that's called TextClip. So I'll just start the script, and I have three options for shapes: rounded, triangular, or rectangular. Let's start with the rounded, and we can choose any color or gradient for this clip. Let's just make something traditional, solid color. And I can have my text either painted, outlined, embossed, or engraved. Let's start with the painted option. And I can write the text I want up to about 30 characters that will use the curve here. So I choose a color for the text. Knowing that the paperclip is blue, let's make the text light yellow. And I will choose the font for the text. I can choose any font I want, although some fonts will look better than others. Typically, choose a simple font for best results. And then we run the script again to continue. And there it is. We have our paperclip. Let's try now with a different shape. Let's go with the triangular shape. And I can also use any other text style. So let's try with the outline. And notice here that you have fewer characters available. Because of the shape, you don't have a continuous text. So you'll have a text that's going to be repeated on both sides of the triangle. So let's put a name. And with my red clip, let's put a very dark outline. And I'll choose the font. Again, I want to have something that is bold enough for the outline to show. So I'll just use Cooper Black. And I have my second paperclip. Let's try now with the rectangular shape. Option 3. And this time I will use a gradient instead of a solid color. And I will have the text engraved. This time I have up to 12 characters. I'll put someone's name again and choose the font. Because the text is going to be in a straight line, I can allow myself to use something that might be a little fancier or at an angle, but I don't have to. Let's just use something simple. Because it's engraved, it's better to not have very fine details. So something really bold is going to give better results. And there it is. I have my paperclip. So as you can see, you can have all kinds of shapes text, fonts, colors. You can just have fun with them. So now it's your turn. Have fun.